Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and oh, look what's come in the mail today. I am so excited. Another Planners Anonymous subscription kit. This is the Book Lovers kit. Oh my god, I was so excited to receive this one. I couldn't even wait for my husband to get home to pick it up from the mailbox. I actually made a special trip to the mailbox just to pick it up. So I'm going to do an unboxing today and see what we've got. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, okay, so let's have a look what we got. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love the colors in this box. They're just so pretty. All right, let's get it all out and have a look. God, I've been waiting for this kit for so long. All right, so let's do the vellum and acetate first. Okay, so first up we have our vellum sheet, which is a bookshelf scene with books and a ladder, which is absolutely gorgeous. Our acetate for the month is a stunning rose gold book design with rose gold love hearts all over them. Just beautiful. I love that so much. And even those two together just look so cute. Next we have our 6 printed, double-sided printed sheets of cardstock. So the first design is the bookshelf scene, and then on the back is the girl reading the book. How beautiful is that? Oh my god. Like every month, I think they're not going to outdo themselves, and yet every month I'm just more excited about this kit than the last one. So those are your 2 double-sided sheets there. The next 2 patterns are your succulents, and then on the back of that is a more close-up picture and watercolor type painting of the succulents, which are just stunning. So that's those 2. And then the next 2 designs are your books, and then your watercolor, very sort of toned background with the gold keys on them as well. So they're your 6 double-sided sheets for this month. Next we have our bookmark. Next we have the Book Lovers stamp set. And there's some gorgeous stamps in that. Like, I'll definitely be using this in my journal, I think, this month. I'm probably going to do a journal spread rather than a planner spread, I think, because yeah, I just absolutely love them. Next we have our 3 rolls of washi tape. So I'll spread them out for you. So we've got the wide roll. It's that one there. And it's got beautiful rose gold foiling on it as well. The medium size roll is your bookshelf scene, which is just so cute, with all your little cactuses on there and your books stacked up, and again the rose gold foiling. Excuse the paint all over my fingers, I have been crafting again. Next washi tape is the skinny one, and this is all the glasses, and again some of those glasses have got the rose gold foiling on as well. We have the Book Lovers sprinkles container, so all the little sequins and sprinkles that you can use that all coordinate with the colors used in the kit, which is just gorgeous. We have our journaling cards or quote cards. So the first one, so many books, so little time. Oh, I love this one. Magic can be found between the pages of a book. How pretty is that? My happy place. Suck it. That's cute. Can't talk, reading. I love these. Books are keys to other worlds. And then the backing sheet of the journal cards is the succulents. Just beautiful. Like, how pretty is all this? I'm so impressed. Next we have, first of all, we have our backing sheet which is again the girl reading the book. I just love this picture. It's so cute. And you could use that as like a dashboard as well in your planner, which is beautiful. Then we have, which I've only just realized, this is a pocket. I am so retarded. Like, I didn't even realize last month's one was a pocket. I thought it was just an odd shaped card. But yeah, I realize now they're actually perforated. So you fold them over on the perforations and then use some double-sided tape along here, and you can make a pocket on a card like that. So yeah, I'm learning. So that's your little pocket. Then we have I guess you could have it as a page marker that flips over, or just like a bookmark. And then the little die cuts that come with this month are, we've got our girl of the month, our little cartoon girl, glasses, succulents. Geez, they're pretty colors. These are really just right up my alley, these colors. I love them. So they're your die cuts for this month. Absolutely beautiful. Now our pen for this month is this beautiful, it's looking more red on camera, but it's actually a beautiful berry toned color. It's like a very pinky red, and yeah, it's just stunning. And it's got the rose gold on the detailing, and then all your little crystals inside. Just stunning. It's really, really pretty. Now the sticker pack that came with this month's kit is these. So your first page, you've got your girls with some little pictures to go with everything. Then you have some more little stickers. You have your days of the week and a couple of page tab markers. And then you have your list of headers, and then little icon stickers that you can put within your planner. So that's the sticker pack that comes with the kit. Now I also get the additional sticker pack because I just love it so much. So this is the additional sticker pack that goes with it, and they're all different from the sticker pack that comes with the kit. So the first one is this one here. Then this one. How pretty. We've got our succulents. An iPad up there. More pretty flowers. And you've got your box stickers. Love this. Some more box stickers. You've got your quotes. And those. A couple of pages of those ones. And then you've got your different days of the weeks. So if you're doing a full month spread, you've got a whole month of, 4 weeks, plus the extra one in case your month goes over on 5 weeks. So they're different color schemed. You've got your berries, your greens, your brown, a bit of a darker green. And then you've got your little icon girls there. So that is the Book Lovers Kit from Planners Anonymous this month. You have no idea how excited I was to get this kit. And now they've just started, before I even got this kit, they just started posting previews of next month's kit. And I'm even more excited for next month's kit as well. Oh, I'm so happy I found this subscription box, guys. It is like, I look forward to it so much every month. You have no idea. Don't forget, I will always leave, I've got a discount code if you want to subscribe to Planners Anonymous. It's a monthly subscription box kit. So each month you get a box filled with stuff like this, all on a different theme. So every month is a different theme. Next month's theme is called Main Street. So it's more more like a shopping type theme. And from what it looks like, it's sort of bluey, greeny, yellowy tones to it. So yeah, every single box I've received so far has been absolutely stunning. I haven't been disappointed with any, not one of them. They've just all been gorgeous. I'll leave all those details below. I am super excited to do a couple of journal pages with this, and hopefully I will have those videos up before the end of this month. So I will sign off here. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.